Welcome to quick revision. So let's start with breathing and exchange of gases respiratory system. So respiratory system in human consists of nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs. So let's start with nose. External portion jutting out from face, internal portion lie inside the skull. Three portions: external nostrils, nasal chamber, and internal nostrils. Now, external nostrils. Under surface of external nose, two openings called external nostrils. Two nostrils are separated by septum. Nasal chamber. Nasal chamber is large cavity anterior with external nostrils and posterior side with pharynx. Three regions: vestibular, middle respiratory, and upper olfactory. Now pharynx. It is 12.5 cm long tube. Three regions: nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. Now larynx. It connects pharynx with trachea. Leaf-shaped piece of cartilage. Glottis always remain open except during swallowing. Mucous membrane contain vocal cord, ability to vibrate. This allows us to speak. Now trachea or windpipe. It is 12 cm length and 2.5 cm diameter. Extend from pharynx to middle of thoracic cavity. Divides into right and left primary bronchi. It is tubular passageway for air. So now bronchial tree. First of all, primary bronchi gets enter into right and left lungs. There it divides into secondary bronchi, tertiary bronchi, bronchioles, and terminal bronchioles. So there is continuously branching of trachea, so it is known as bronchial tree. So after terminal bronchioles, it divides into alveoli of lungs. There are millions of alveoli in each lungs. Each alveoli is sac-like structure which are enveloped by a network of blood capillaries. Now lungs. Lungs are pad cone-shaped organ lying in the thoracic cavity, protected by a rib cage. Diaphragm is placed under them. Left lung is slightly smaller and lighter than the right one. Two layers, collectively called pleural membrane, covers each lung. Outer layer is attached with the wall of thoracic cavity. Inner layer covers the lung themselves. Space between these two layers contain a lubricating fluid. This fluid protects lungs against shock. So here is difference between right lung and left lung. So first difference is it is thicker, broader, longer and heavier, while left lung is thinner, narrow, shorter and lighter. Second difference is right lung has 3 lobes while left lung has 2 lobes. Upper, lower and middle lobes in right lung while there is no middle lobe in left lung. There are 2 fissures in right lung while there is only 1 fissure in left lung. In right lung, cardiac notch is absent while in left lung, cardiac notch is present. Thank you. Subscribe the channel, share, like, comment.